There's a storm on Saturn that shouldn't exist. It has 6 perfectly straight sides, 6 sharp corners, like something built, not born. And it's been spinning there at the top of the planet for at least 40 years that we know of, maybe far longer. Nature doesn't draw with rulers. So why does Saturn? Let's back up for a second. Saturn is a giant ball of gas, over 9 times wider than Earth. It has no solid surface, just endless layers of swirling atmosphere all the way down. You'd expect chaos up there. Storms should be round. Clouds should curl and drift with no particular shape, the way smoke does. Every other planet with weather, Earth, Jupiter, Neptune, gives us circles, spirals, blobs. Saturn gives us geometry. At its north pole sits a jet stream shaped like a hexagon. 6 sides, each one roughly the length of 2 Earths laid end to end. Let that sink in for a moment. 2 Earths, just one side of the shape. Here's the first wow moment. This isn't an illusion of the camera or a trick of the angle. Spacecraft have photographed it since the 1980s. The Cassini probe, which orbited Saturn for over a decade, watched it for years, and it never lost its shape. Storms on Earth last days, maybe weeks if they're stubborn. This one has outlasted governments, outlasted the lifespans of the scientists who first spotted it. So, what's holding 6 straight edges together on a spinning ball of gas? The leading idea comes down to something surprisingly simple: the way fast and slow-moving air interacts at different latitudes. Imagine 2 rivers flowing next to each other at different speeds. Under the right conditions, that boundary between them doesn't stay smooth. It buckles. It folds into a repeating pattern, almost like a ribbon crimped into waves. Scientists have recreated something similar in spinning tanks of liquid right here on Earth, and they got hexagons too. That's the second wow moment. This isn't magic, it's math, hiding in plain sight, playing out on a planetary scale most of us will never touch. But here's what still keeps researchers up at night. The hexagon isn't just sitting there, it's a full storm system, with winds ripping past faster than any hurricane on Earth, encircling a pole that's shrouded in permanent darkness for years at a time during Saturn's long winter. And it doesn't drift. It doesn't wobble off-center. It doesn't slowly round itself out the way you'd expect friction and chaos to eventually smooth things over. It just holds its shape, locked in place, patient. Now here's the moment that turns this from strange into staggering. Saturn's hexagon is large enough that it could swallow Earth whole, with room left over for a second one. 2 Earths, side by side, dropped into a single storm system on another planet, and still not filling it. We are used to thinking of storms as small, temporary, local things. A swirl on a weather map, gone by the weekend. This one is a geometric monument in the sky, wider than our entire world, that has been quietly turning since before most of us were born. And will likely keep turning long after we're gone. There's something humbling about that. We spend our lives measuring time in days and years. Saturn's hexagon measures time in decades that pass like afternoons. It's a reminder that the universe doesn't perform for us. It doesn't need an audience to keep drawing perfect shapes in storms a billion kilometers away. It was doing this long before Cassini pointed a camera at it. It'll be doing this long after we've forgotten to look. And maybe that's the real wonder. Not just that a hexagon exists on a planet of gas, but that somewhere out there, right now, the universe is quietly building things stranger than anything we could invent. We just have to keep looking to find them.